eternity where he christened me, blew it up for all to see. Lost my immunity, I'm no longer free from vengeance for the bad things that I did. It's not just me